English version mathematics, class 5, chapter 8, conversion of times. Number 1, put the tick mark of the correct answer. 1. How many minutes in 5 days? 5 days. Then we know that calculation 5 into 24 into 60 equals 7200. Answer D. 7200 second. Number 2, Farhan was absent from school from the 22 Shravan to the 3rd Bhadra because of waterlogging in front of her house. How many days she was absent? Calculation in Bangla calendar, Shravan month in 31 days and Shravani 31 days minus 22 plus 1 equal to 10 days. 22 Shravan, 22 plus 1. In the date format of math, you need to add 1 for every time. Okay, that means in Shravan month 10 days and in Bhadra month 3 days. That means 13 days. She was absent in 13 days. C answer. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 conversion of time. Number 2, write the number of the day of following month. Shravan month 31 days, Bhadra month 31 days, Agrahan month 30 days, Chaitra month 30 days, April month 30 days, July month 31 days, August in 31 days, and also December in 31 days. Okay, here has a technique for the English months day calculation. What month in which days? If you want to learn this technique, just comment and I will learn you the technique. You can identify on your hand that what month in which days. Thank you. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 time conversion. Number 3, find the answer of the following question. If 1st August is Thursday, then what day of the week will be in June 5? And day between June 25 remaining and July 31 and August 1. Okay, then it means 57 days. 57 divided by 7 because 7 days in a week, that means 8 weeks and 1 day remaining. Okay, continue back 1 day from Thursday in 1st week, 1st August Thursday, 1 day back from the Thursday, it means Wednesday. And number 2, if 1st October is Saturday, then what will be the week in the to be 31 October. 31 October, the difference 31 minus 1 equal to 30 days. Then divided by 7 in 4 week, 2 days remaining. Okay, 2 days after Saturday. 2 days after Saturday. That means Saturday. 1st October was Saturday. That means Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, this is a Monday will be answer. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 time conversion. Number 4, find the number of days February in the following years. Number 1, 1200. It's a leap year because leap year February month in 28 days because it can divided by 4. If any year number of year if you can divide it by 4, that means it's a leap year. Okay, and if you cannot divide it by 4, it is not leap year. That means it's 28 days. In 1692 leap year divided by 4, it's also 29 days. And 2010 it's not leap year because it cannot divide it by 4, so it's 28 days. Thank you. English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Conversion of Time, number 5. The year 2028 is a leap year. If January 1st January 28 is Saturday, let us find out the 31 December 2028 will be. In leap year, we know that leap year in 366 days. Okay, the year end after the day it's began. That means it began in Saturday. Okay, if first one is Saturday, then 31 will be Sunday. 31 December. If January 1st January in Saturday, then end of the day after day. Okay, it will be Sunday. Thank you. English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Conversion of Times, number 6. Number 6. Write the century of the following years. Century. Then we know that in 100 years equal to 1 century. Then 108 will be second century, plus 100 first century, and 108 equal to going to second century. Then 1015 will be 11th century. 1000 till 1000 equal to 10th, and 1050 equal to 15 equal to 11th century. 2001 equal to 21st century. Okay, 2000 till 2000 equal to 20th century, and 2001 equal to going to 21st century. Thank you. English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Conversion of Time, number 7. Number 7, find the answer of the following question. Okay, find the answer of the following question. Then let 1 month equal to 30 days. Then express 10 years in days, and B 10 years 35 days equal to 3650 days standard. Okay, or also you can do this 10 year into 12 month into 30 days equal to 3600 days using for not proper, and express 1000 hours in month, day and hour. So 1000 divided by 24 hour in a day, that means 41 days and 16 hours. Then we can convert 30 days in a month, then 1 month 11 days and 16 hours. Thank you. English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Conversion of Time, number 8. A train leave Dhaka at 10:15 and reach Rajshahi 16:25 p.m. Number A, how many hours and minute does the train take to reach Rajshahi from Dhaka? And number B, how many seconds does the train take reach Dhaka, Rajshahi from Dhaka? Number A, duration. From the duration 10:50 to 16:25. We know that in an hour has 60 minutes. Okay, that means 60:25 minus 10:50 equal to 5 hours and 35 minutes. And number B, duration in second. That means 5 hours and 35 minutes. If we convert in second, that means 3600 second in a hour. That means 5 into 3600 plus 35 into 60 equal to 18,000 plus 2100. That means 20,100 second the train need to reach Rajshahi from Dhaka. Thank you.